pointing. He's like pointing.
Bro, point it there. What's wrong with you? Bro, this is how we're going to start the vlogs today.
I got it.
Welcome back to the vlogs, boys. We're with the crew. We're no longer shifters. We are...
now
we're leaving.
You guys want to be clean clit type R?
Oh, yeah. Anybody want to see a new Supra?
Oh yeah, let's go right now.
Right, come on.
Toyota, right?
Yeah, right here.
It's right
Come on.
Shh. I ruined it. Oh, let me tell him.
Since we're high volume, we got the new Supra here. Here it is.
We were just talking about this earlier.
Here's the new Supra.
Crystal white. That's the same thing. That's the same thing as yours. I love how they have some like BMW accents, like the logo in there, so it makes it more luxurious.
I like these wheels better. There's a difference. I like these wheels better. They're sharper.
M4s.
They look good though. I mean, they look good though. Let's look at the BMW i8s. They have a hatchback version.
I know.
Here's the new i8. It may look like the i3, but trust me.
Should I stretch these
I-
tires for my 9.5 wheels I'm getting?
I can't lie though. I like this parking.
Except for someone who can't park.
Which one?
Oh no, the white one. Okay, that was like the first.
Honestly, mine is very straight.
Yours is very straight.
Mine's very straight.
Both cars.
That one is not.
Okay. A little off.
That one at least is somewhat straight. This one, the two FRSs are like the straightest cars.
Ain't no homo, right?
These are the squiggly lines.
Hey.
Sheesh. Sheesh.
What tires? You.
I'm running 235s. 235 40s.
Should I get 245?
I'm gonna get 245 40s
40?
next. But the thing is, I want to heighten this a little bit. Like, I was gonna go big brake kit though. Remember?
Yeah.
I wanted to, but I just got. Look at this.
Yeah.
No, these aren't even stop techs though.
Oh, you got the G something? I don't know.
They're last. They're from AutoZone, dude. GT. That's pretty. Like, they're actually pretty good. Hey, this is how you know it's enthusiast parking only. Basically, just says that right there. Back in parking.
Oh, wait, hey, that's a good photo right there. And that's like it. You're not gonna.
Dude, hey, dude, back in parking only, but park forward. Say thug life, boys. You're recording, right?
Yeah, I am
Okay,
recording.
good.
Cut that out, right?
Bro, I'm a master editor. Now it's not coming out because now you just doubted me. Thanks a lot. You've seen that whole thing.
No!
And then you can zoom in too. Did you just? No, you can't say that. You have no street cred to say something like that. We're gonna go see if those buildings over there, because they're building like shipping places. You want to go? Sure.
Oh yeah, we take the quiet car.
Jaden.
So, not my car, right?
No.
We can take your car in quiet mode. Us three are disqualified.
So, yeah, you just got yourself.
So rev to see if you're the quietest.
Rev it. Go, rev it.
Don't rev. We don't need cops all up on here. We know yours. This is the loudest. This is the loudest car,
HKS
bro.
now. Okay.
He got a muffler. He basically just. Why didn't you just get a full catback system?
Because the HKS one, I bought it from a friend.
Yeah, but like
$25.
you and your budget build. Like mine's a budget build too. Honda budget build is a lot cheaper than an FRS budget build. Even though FRS budget builds can be cheap too if you buy used parts.
Yeah.
That's pretty cheap still.
I got these.
All right, let's go. You want me to drive or you want to drive? Oh yeah, I'm gonna drive. All right, give me the keys.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I guess I'm getting the golden ticket. Thank you.
Golden ticket. You recording me.
Wow. Vlogception.
Oh!
Oh, I feel that vibration. I gotta piss now.
You want to turn on the nitrous?
Nah, I don't want to.
Is that the nitrous?
I don't want to do that.
Blowing? Nitrous.
I don't want to blow everybody's car away. Make sure you lock your cars, because just in case some people like you guys come in and jump in my car.
Dark torque.
Whoa! Holy shit!
Oh god!
The torque, bro.
Oh!
Hey,
Is that your wing?
I'm gonna start it. Okay, ready?
Oh!
Shit! Holy fuck! Oh shit!
Watch out, bro. 800 horsepower.
Oh my god!
Hey, how much boost you got?
Goddamn, boy!
Watch out.
Holy shit! I'm scared. Yo, you can drive this car. I don't know how to drive this.
That's not even. That's without nitrous, bro.
Dude, that was only quarter throttle.
Can't piss off.
Yo.
That's pretty cool. I'm glad we picked up our car.
Huge.
Yeah, bro.
Brand new. Oh hell.
Ben did
shit
that
also
on
is
the
like
fucking
clown or something.
fuck, dude.
Run that bitch over. Pennywise!
Oh shit. Okay.
Yo, if this thing had like lights, bro.
We come here at sunset. Oh yeah, look at this. Come here at 8.
Dude, I can't imagine everybody just coming here
That's
like
what,
doing
dude. This
donuts
is
and
what I
stuff.
wanted to show you guys. Like, oh, these guys are having sex over there. But remember that one time? Goddamn. Oh.
That's why I don't have a front.
Nobody told me about that.
Is that the fender?
Yeah, that might be new.
Yeah, that's new. That's totally new.
Oh.
I'll be back.
He's calling his girl.
Stop. Get away
Get
from
over
me,
here.
bro.
Get back over here, bitch. Are you kidding me? Bro, your uncle is the freaking owner of Weekfest.
He has that media pass.
Dude.
Bro, hey, have him bring us a SEMA. Bet.
I'll legit skip
We already
school and work for
missed
that
what is
shit.
it? Spocom? Weekfest?
Bro, wait, isn't Spocom tomorrow
That
though?
was like today.
It's today and tomorrow?
Yeah.
Aww.
2 days, yeah.
I went last year. I met TJ Hunt.
But it ends at
I
like
got school
4.
from 10 to 12.
Oh, so you don't even have traffic? You lucky.
Well, that's a
Because
bar either.
that's at.
You don't flex every
What
time
kind
you
of
go?
car guy are you?
No, because I don't like driving my
I mean,
like
let's be
driving
honest.
a car.
It's kind of understandable. It's kind of understandable. Nobody wants to drive an SF.
No one.
Oh,
Especially if it's a
Yeah.
Like literally, only so much we can do.
I think I'm the only one that didn't park on white.
I have to park on white. Like I literally had to.
That's not parking?
No,
Look, I didn't park on white.
you literally.
Oh no!
You did. You had the most room out of all of us, and you didn't give us
What are you
any.
talking about? I barely have enough room.
Yeah, but you had the most room out of all of us still.
Not even.
Yes.
But look, our parking is nice. Look at that. It's like
It's not bad. Could be better. Why do we always end up at In-N-Out though?
I literally
Yes.
said that already.
It's like the back.
Yeah, but I said that first off camera.
They say, what's it
I literally said that first off camera. No, I mean,
Only the camera can tell. He's gonna cut it out now. He'll be like, nah.
nah. It's just because I know I'm right.
We should just drive around. Just make noise. Hey guys.
Yeah, you.
Oh yeah, you do need that.
That's what happens when you buy AMG.
Hey, at least it's not a 63. It's V8. Shit.
Well, look at you.
So he's got a wing.
Hey, bro, you got a bigger wing than you, Jaden.
I thought I was rice.
I mean, those come like that from factory though. It's a Daytona, so that's not rice. that's not rice. That's a Daytona. Yours is rice, cause it moves.
Yeah, it creaks every time you turn.
All right, so let's go. You guys went to the bathroom, right? Yeah. All right, let's go to the gas station. Gas station takeover. Not gonna lie, this looks kind of sick.
I know, this is really
Hey, yo, this is kind of sick. Yo, this is the gram stuff right here. Yo, the takeover though.
that takeover is
That takeover is real, bro. Oh, okay, thanks, guys.
kind of. Is that another English word?
The
Daddy.
wing that goes up and down when you drive. Sorry, it's what a German side. It's a Porsche.
In conclusion, don't get a Mercedes if it ain't an AMG. In conclusion,
That's pretty good.
I'll accept that.
unless it's the S600 Maybach.
If it's a Maybach, it's fine.
Yeah, that's the whole nother ball game, or the S550 or S500, basically, because it's like a V12, dude.
Who's airing out?
Bro, he flexed on us.
Hey, Jaden, you should fall. Contact.
Wait, what was I doing again?
Do this.
Being an idiot.
That's pretty good.
It looked like you rode
Bro,
an
your boy's a turtle. Oh, I saw your butt crack.
Looked like you rode something.
Yo, you parked right next to it. Like
Yo, we got Recaros. Yeah. It was good for me. Oh, look at no. But look at he gutted it. It's gutted. Yeah, look at.
You got carbon fiber with the racing clip thingies.
We should put a flyer. Red Sun approved. If you would like to join us.
We gotta
Look at.
I don't want to do that. Just like
Tomei Type 80, single exit exhaust.
Fuck, single exit? Damn.
It's gonna be loud.
Yeah, dude. Single exit? Fuck.
I think it's the Tomei Type 80, right?
Yeah.
It's most likely. Oh, Jaden.
Jaden, we see your friend.
I mean, it's not.
Hey, if this is,
It's not bad.
I can almost guarantee you it's a girl drive.
Give it.
So?
That means I'm not the wife for it.
Well, look, it's not.
Yeah, actually, no. This is okay. This is okay.
This is the same thing as
Except it's a
Oh,
manual.
he definitely watches this one though.
Except this thing is it has a dildo. Yeah, this is cool. This is cool. I'm okay with this.
Oh, he has a JDM license plate.
Found your buddy.
I found my mate.
What up, mate? Night Aura.
Hey,
It's an S.
he got like the cheap.
Look, his bumper's fixed.
It's a Type S though.
Hey, I fixed mine too. What are you talking about?
but
this-
but it's a Type S.
That.
So his is faster.
JDM.
Well, look, he actually got a catback.
That's a license plate frame though. Oh, you said lifestyle. That's sad. I enjoy roasting your car, but it looks good from 20 feet away.
You see me?
All you gotta do is fix it a little bit. It'll look fine.
Follow me.
It'll be fine.
Put space.
My boy got a cat trapped in here.
It's a dog.
Oh, my bad. I'm just only used to pussies being in this car.
Yo, what was that about, bro?
Tell your dad you're building an empire here. You have a curfew.
Yo, you have a curfew, bro?
All right, hey, somebody get in this. Who's getting in this? Get in it.
I'm the tallest guy here.
I mean, I got work starting at 5. So.
Let me in. Let me in.
Recording a sideshow. Oh, that's right.
Let me in, bitch.
Crashes.
Don't move it.
Yo, I'm God.
Hold this.
It's in neutral, right?
It's neutral.
Let's race. Let's race.
Hey, bro, let's take over.
Oh wait, ooh. Oh shit.
Oh, this is an altercation. Content. Record this, dude.
Content.
Yo, this is how we get cinematic shots.
Excuse me, Yanni.
This is my life now. Hey.
Off-roading?
No. No. No.
It's not gonna work.
Oh wait, there's a ramp.
No.
It's not gonna work. No, because how are we gonna get up?
Go.
Hey, we gotta stop at the stop sign though, alright?
No stopping. No cop. No stop, Billy. Not by the fire. No. Stop.
He just wants to be near the fire.
What? I got no control. Yo, give me the. What?
Hey, we're gonna be at Krispy Kreme. We're at Krispy Kreme. Oh, you wanna take the camera?
Take me. God damn it.
Would you like some help?
I was gonna get out of here.
Try not to dip it.
They left me.
Yes, no, I know they do. I'm not gonna abandon you though.
All right, for sure.
You
Thanks
got
a lot, man.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Now I gotta bring this whole thing back. All right, boys. We'll see you guys soon. See you soon. See you soon.